Tired of lukewarm drinks and leaky bottles? Meet your new hydration hero. The Owala FreeSip bottle is changing the game for everyone. Whether you're crushing a workout, exploring new cities, acing exams, or juggling family life, staying hydrated is key. This bottle keeps your water icy cold for up to 24 hours. It's perfect for athletes needing a refreshing sip, travelers on the go, students powering through lectures, and busy parents keeping up with their day. The patented FreeSip spout lets you drink two ways. Sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt back for a quick swig. No more awkward angles. Plus, the locking push-button lid keeps your spout clean and prevents spills. Toss it in your bag worry-free. It's completely leak-proof. Crafted from insulated stainless steel, this BPA-free bottle is built to last. Its wide opening makes cleaning and adding ice a breeze. Join over 93,000 happy customers who've rated it 4.7 stars. It's a bestseller for a reason, helping you stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Ready to experience the ultimate hydration upgrade? Click the link in our bio to grab your Owala FreeSip bottle today. Choose from amazing colors and sizes. Make every sip count.